Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing on For the Worthy again in Terraria. We're going to try to upgrade our world. We're going to start by doing a little caving, getting some nice ores. Oh yeah. No match for me any longer. Haha. Oof, that was a close one. Getting a little too cocky. My goodness. Looks like we've got the skeleton merchant here. Not too much of use. Except maybe the counterweight. Counterweight isn't actually as useful as I thought. Takes a little bit of time to get back into the swing of things, but I think we have this. Gold chest. Hermes boots. Let's go. I'll be needing those. There we have Hermes boots. Been wanting these for a long time. Do you see that? 3 life crystals next to each other. Ding. I'll be saving these for later. I'm actually gonna go back to the surface, get organized. Beautiful. Ding. That's a wrap. I'll promise you this house will look much better in the future. For now, it'll do. I like to organize my chest. Helps me find things much easier. Gonna go ahead and do that now. So I've got 6 categories for my chest. We have blocks, buffs, ores, herbs, gear, and miscellaneous, like mob drops. Here we have the desert, which I actually haven't explored. I'm gonna collect a little bit of cactus, as we will be making a potion farm. I consider potions a necessity, especially in a difficulty like this. It burns! It burns! Looks like we've got a volcano up here. I don't think I've ever seen a mountain so steep in Terraria. This is just amazing. Here's our second crimson in the world. Shouldn't be a problem to cross, but it's good to know it's here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang it, it's lost 24 gold. There's my money. Blow you guys up. Give me my bling back. Silly face monsters. Freedom! I think that it might actually be worth using this gravitation potion, so let's give it a go. Crimson Skyland. Cool, although I've noticed something a little unfortunate. These chests are locked. For the worthy, I guess it's just gonna be this way until I beat Skeletron. I actually think another good idea would be trying to get the rotted fork if possible. Let's see what we get. Crimson Arts, not too useful. Since we've got 2 here, we're gonna see if we can actually break both of them before the brain of Cthulhu comes and kills me. Alright, quickly. No, easier, easier. Ah! Oof. 15k health. So we did get a panic necklace. I don't think that's gonna help me very much. I just want the rotted fork. Back we go. We're in luck. Zappinator. My life is gonna be so much easier with the Zappinator. Let's watch this. Nice. Ha 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 ha. For the worthy isn't so bad after all. There it is. Looks like we've got another glowing mushroom bomb, and I see a chest over there. Hopefully this has got something good. Cloud in a bottle, legendary. I'll be using this. Now this is legendary loot. Teleportation potions. Looks like the goblins are here. Time to fight goblins. All my NPCs are dying. This is kind of stressful. Oh boy. Take that! Dude. Struggles. We'll get through this. I too can fire arrows. Well, this has been rather unpleasant. I'm glad it's finally over. I died so many times during this. Not again. Now that that's over, let's go to an altar and create our slime crown. There we have the slime crown. Let's go back. Now everybody, finally, the greatest moment of this video, King Slime. Let's go. He is huge! I did not know he was so big on For the Worthy. It's okay he doesn't have much health, but dang. Get him! Get him! You fat slime. Dude. Oh man. So everyone, looks like I've understood the King Slime a little bit. I'm gonna go get some more Frostburn arrows. Hopefully we can defeat him that. Dang it. So what I'm actually gonna do to make this fight a bit easier is make some more platforms, a longer platform. As I think running horizontally from the King Slime will just make my way a lot easier. I'm looking a lot more prepared for this fight. Buff up. Let's go. Oh, get him. Oh, he spawns close. Heal. Oh, man, he does so much damage. Oh, he's dying fast. Oh, this strategy is a lot better. Can't really see him down there, but oh, there he is, there he is. Big bounce, little bounce. This is looking pretty good. Just gotta get a few more hits. King Slime was really no match. I just had to be prepared. Oh, that was a close one. Under 1,000 health? Come on! I can get the King Slime. Because he is no real king. For I am the king. He's almost down. Under 100 health. And we've killed the King Slime. No challenge. Just had to be a bit prepared. Let's collect our loot. So we've got the royal gel, slime to become friendly. I don't think I'll be using that. Slime up, of course, solidifier, nice ninja gear, and the relic, the best part of it all. That was an amazing fight. Oh yeah. Seems like it's time to conclude this episode. Well, everybody, today was a struggle, but we got through. We just had to work hard. Thankfully, we beat the King Slime, and next time, we'll be taking on the Brain of Cthulhu with 15,000 health. Man, but we'll do it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and tell others about our channel. We'd really appreciate it. And this has been Xavier. You've been watching LBX Gaming. You have an awesome time. Thanks for watching. Dude.